Okay, so we have MarvelAvengers Miss Marvel. She was an Inhuman Gamerverse version of her. The body mold is very similar to the comic version. Miss Marvel, what does the box says about her? Whip smart with an optimistic personality. Kamala is determined to combat injustice wherever she finds it. Abomination, wickedly big, soft spikes on the back. This one will be crazy. I don't really have too much interest in collecting the whole wave, but that Abomination figure makes it really tempting. I'm more about X-Men. The only reason why we have Miss Marvel is because it's my daughter's, actually. A special thanks to my baby daughter, because this is actually a figure I bought for her, but she allowed me to use it to get a little bit extra content for the channel. Okay, so the body mold is very gummy, very rubbery, very soft. It does look really nice. The hair sculpt, the head sculpt, in general, it's very good. The mask, all the details, the paint on her dress, the colors vibrant, and the blues and this silver, kind of a thunder strike, looks really good. It's the dress is made from rubbery material, so it doesn't get in the way. How is her articulation? Okay, the head goes this much down, not very much up. Hair gets in the way. It doesn't really go on the sides. The arms go out pretty high, around 360. Only one joint on elbow. Wrist go inside and round. There is this ball joint on the rib cage, so it gives her a little bit of maneuver here. The legs go this much front, pretty good back, waist cut, double jointed knee, and there is a cut on the boot as well. And we have hinge and swivel on the boot. So in general, a pretty decent figure. With extra hands, she doesn't look ridiculous. She looks good. She looks like in the game. Hands are quite light, so it doesn't make balancing her impossible. That's quite important. There's no articulation on the wrists when she uses her powers. And there is this funny thing that when you bend the elbow of the hand, you can see it's pushing the joint out of that socket, so it's quite weird. And now I see that there is a little bit of issue with the paint from the mask to the nose, but you have to really take a good look to see it. And here is a little bit of posing with a lizard. So this is the second figure from this wave I already bought. The first one was Marvel's Rage, whom I reviewed some time ago. You can see this review here.